Hi guys, and in this episode we are going to talk about HTML media. Okay, I'll just go ahead and comment this by holding command and then forward slash, and then I will just type in HTML media. So HTML media is basically how we can add our media into our website. Media in the sense your picture, your video, your music, anyone at all. You might really want to have it right on your web. Okay, so how we can go about it. Okay, so now what I have done so far is I actually had to go to my folder, which is web development we created earlier on this on the startup of this video, right in the episode 1, I guess, or episode 2. Okay, I had to go to this folder by clicking on it, and then you know um I had to click on this one on this file, and then right click on it and review in Finder if you're on Mac. But it will show you open for open that should be File Explorer if you are on Windows. Okay, so just open it and it will take you to where your file is. Okay, that's basically where your folder is. On my own case, it's actually on the desktop. As you can see, it's actually on the desktop. So the thing is that it will take you to where your folder is. That's basically where this file is also. Okay, now what I want you to do is to create a new folder right where your index file is. Okay, I want you to create a new folder there, and then you can name it anything. In my own case, I named it assets. Okay, I named it assets. Now when you create that folder, I want you to open the folder and then add 3 things for me. Okay, I want you to add 3 things, and those things will be an image, a video, and a music. Okay, so just go ahead, pause this video, and add those things, and then you can now come back. Okay, now when you come back, your explorer should be looking just like this. Okay, now let's get back to the menu. We're gonna first of all start with adding audio into our website. Okay, so how can we basically add audio into our website? All you have to do is to use the audio keyword. Okay, the audio tag, which is this, and then if you check it out, it's already asking of source. Okay, the xroc you're seeing there is source, meaning that where is the audio located. Okay, where is the audio located? So all you have to do is to click on dots and then forward slash. Okay, basically this dots and forward slash is for us to really navigate through our file manager, okay, or file explorer, or our directory. Okay, so when you just click on this dot slash, it tries to open on this place where my index file is. It tries to open everything on that same folder. Okay, just as you can see now. Okay, so once I type in dot slash, it opens everything here. Okay, and then we ask me where do I want to go to, or which file do I want to select. Okay, I want to add my audio file, and my audio file is actually in my assets folder. All I have to do is to click on this assets folder, which is this. I'll click on it, and then as you can see, it added an extra slash for me in front of the assets, meaning that this is a folder. It is actually looking for a file. Okay, so I should now select the file which is in this folder. All right, now we are having 3 things here, and remember I said I want to add only audio, and it accepts mp3 and any audio file. Okay, any audio file. So all I have to do right now is to go ahead and click on this file. Good, I've clicked on this file, and this is actually the audio that I have on my assets folder. Okay, so basically this is the assets folder, and this is the audio file that I have having an extension of .mp3. Okay, so when I save this, and I will just run my live server, which is already on at this point. Okay, all I have to do is open it on, and then check my browser, but unfortunately it is not showing on my browser. So what can be the problem? Now what I needed to do is to come back to your code, and then come to in between the opening tag, just type in controls. Okay, because when you don't type in controls, it will not show you anything on the browser. So when you do that, save your file and come back to the browser. As you can see, boom, it's already showing you something that you have really seen on the web. Okay, I know you have seen this on the web, so it's already showing you that. So what does it mean? when you click on this play button, it tends to play this sound. Okay, and when you click on this, it tends to show you some other things, and then this remains the volume, and you can reduce it, you can increase it. Okay, you can just click on it and it begins to play the sound for you, and then you can pause it and play it, or reduce the volume. Okay, let me reduce the volume and play it again, and then as you can see, and that's basically how you can add audio to your website. Okay, and the next thing in line is actually how to add an image to your website. Okay, so on how to add image, if you want to add image, just go ahead, and there is a keyword for that, which is img. Okay, img, and it's a self-closing. As you can see, it does not have this opening tag here and then closing tag here. Okay, and mind you, we didn't add anything in between here. It's not necessary. Okay, so same with this image, it does not have it didn't come this way, like coming this way and then having img. No. Okay, it did not come that way. Instead, it just came on its own. All right, it came on its own. When you remove this and then type img, okay, and then click on enter, it just shows you this. Okay, so the source is actually where is the image located. All right, so all you have to do is the same pattern, dot slash, and then assets slash, and we have our cover.png. Okay, now this alternative is, what if we look for this image in this directory and we do not find it? What should we display? So we can display a text. Okay, that's where the alternative is coming from, which is this ALT. Okay, you can display a text. I will show us in a second how it looks like. So I can just say an image. All right, now as long as this image is found in the directory, this alternative will never show. It will only show if this image is not found. Okay, now let's see our web. As you can see, I'm having this my thumbnail. We said web development with Don Tech, and is so much big. Okay, so you might want to add some width. Okay, add some width to it by basically writing width like this. Okay, and then you can just write 20%. All right, when you write it, you should go ahead and reduce the image size for you. Okay, so don't bother too much about the styling. Okay, about the width of a thing or the height or anything at all. We are really going to talk about it in future. We are going to see how we can do those things in a much more better way. Okay, that is it for here. Now remember, we are not seeing anything like an image on our image. That's basically because this image was found. Now let's assume we added a wrong URL, okay, or a wrong file directory where the image is not really found. I added some jargons here. Okay, the image is no longer found. Now let's see how it will appear, and then let's see whether this an image will appear. Okay, and good. I believe you must have also seen this somewhere on the web. So this means that this image is broken. Either the image doesn't exist, or the server is unable to fetch it at that point. Okay, so that is when you can now see that alternative. So if peradventure you didn't add alternative there, okay, look at how it's gonna be for you. It's just going to be this way. Nothing shows. Okay, so basically you might want to add alternative because it helps to tell the user that actually there should be an image here, but however the image is not being found. Just be aware that an image is here. Sounds interesting, right? Okay, good. But in our case, our image is found. All I have to do is to just add png back, and I will still have my image back. Okay, so I would want to just add a line break here, which is just bl, and then save my work. And when I save it, it is up the line and come to the next line. Okay, so one last thing we're gonna add is video. Okay, remember we added video in our assets here. We added a video also. Okay, so how will I go about it? I believe your guess is right. Okay, all you have to do is just type in video. Okay, the video has source, and just the same way, dot slash, okay, and then select the particular video, which is my own case, subscribe. Okay, I'll go ahead and save this, and I'll just come over here and check it. The same thing happens. This is my video, and I'll just go ahead and reduce the width by just doing the same thing I did here. This time around I'm gonna use 50%, I guess. Okay, 50%, and then checking it out, we have our video, but unfortunately our video is not playing. Okay, what can really be the cause? All right, now what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and still add controls to it. Okay, I'll just add controls to it the same way I did for the audio, and as you can see, we have our video right here. Okay, now I will just go ahead and play this video and you will see it in action. And boom, the video is really playing. Okay, as you can see, the video is playing as it should be. And that is all I want you to understand. Okay, I'll just go ahead and add some line break here and save the file, and we are having our video right here. You can go ahead and tap the play button and it will play.